Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Opinions Matter, and very small channel, and I usually make a lot of videos while I'm going to work. So right now I'm going to work, so do not expect production quality videos and stuff like that. And without further ado, we'll not waste time, as because this channel is not sponsored, and we'll jump into activetrack and how to activetrack with your Osmo Pocket. Okay, first things first is that you have to go to the settings from below, and then you go ahead and select follow mode. activetrack actually works only on follow mode. It will not work on FPV or tilt locked, so you have to go and use follow. So set your stuff to follow mode. So once you begin, you'll be seeing that the camera actually tries to track your face, so whichever angle you're facing this. So you're going to double tap this and then draw a circle. Okay, so hold on a second, double tap and draw it. You cannot do it on operation, so we'll switch it up and we'll shoot from GoPro. So the track is from GoPro, so we'll turn this off again, and then we are going to do. So once you begin, you'll be seeing that the camera actually tries to track your face, so whichever angle you're facing this. So you're going to double tap this and then draw a circle. Okay, so hold on a second, double tap and draw it. You cannot do it on operation, so we'll switch it up and we'll shoot from GoPro. See that whichever way you're turning, the gimbal actually tries to follow you in face track. So once you have set your stuff, watch the gimbal movement. So I'm going to do a small active track on the top, so you can actually adjust this. Double tap on the screen, active track gets on. Now then record. While you walk, you can do movements like this. So as you can see, it keeps in track all the time. Creative shot too, and so same stuff, double tap, active track is on, and follow. Subject is lost. Okay, so watch this very carefully. Double tap, same stuff, tracks on it, press record, and now you go and pause. Keep your angle straight. You will see that it tracks the object even if you have moved your stuff. Active track test 2, and we are going to track this bus. So press on the bus, it locks onto it, and then you press the power button. You will see that the gimbal actually turns according to that. So again, we are in tilt lock mode. As you can see, the tilt is locked. You can let me show you. You can actually go and manually move this, and we are going to set the frame as as out here. So this is our frame. Okay, so once we have set that, we will be going to this. So we have to reveal the shot of the fat burger. So what we are going to do is that we are going to double tap this face track gets on and it recognizes fat burger, we'll be coming back a bit before it loses and do a reveal shot. Hold on a second, before it loses. So it's still there, and we are going to shoot a slow motion, bringing the tilt locked on this one. So you can see it keeps the subject, while I am moving, it keeps the subject locked on. Okay, I'll get you on this one because this is not an active track or anything. This is just a small reveal shot. So this is how we create the shot. So you take it out on all the way, and once you have done that, you keep your tilt locked, and once you have tilt locked it, you press the power button or the record button, and then you bring it out. So this is how you're going to walk around it. Alrighty guys, so this episode was shot with an Osmo Pocket, and I have tried to explain various ways that you can use active track. Active track doesn't necessarily means that you have to track an object or anything. So yeah, you can do a lot of creative stuff with active track, and if you think that this video was helpful, do subscribe to the channel and do like this video, because this tutorial is all about active track on an Osmo Pocket. So take care, see you next time in the channel.